Hey everyone, Drew Manning here from Fit2Fat2Fit. Yep, I'm that crazy trainer that intentionally gained weight on purpose and then lost it to gain a better understanding of what it's like to be overweight. But in today's video, we're gonna be making some delicious keto protein shakes. I partnered up with my good friends over at Blendjet, and we're gonna make some very easy but very delicious protein shake recipes that you're absolutely gonna love. Now, here's the thing with protein. Protein is a very important macronutrient. It's probably the most important because it contains essential amino acids, which makes our body's ability to build lean muscle mass, which is very important for our health, which helps to burn fat, increases our metabolic rate. And so these delicious recipes that we're gonna make today are protein packed. So let's get into it. For the first recipe, we're making a dark chocolate protein raspberry shake, which is delicious. It's got 20 grams of high quality protein from Whey Protein Isolate, which filters out almost all the lactose and casein. So it's a lot easier on your stomach if you are lactose intolerant. For me, I can tolerate it and I'm lactose intolerant as well. And it's got some high quality vitamins and minerals from the raspberries, small amount of carbohydrates, but it's delicious. So for the dark chocolate raspberry shake, you're gonna need 1 1/4 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 tablespoon unsweetened dark cocoa powder, 1 to 2 handfuls of frozen raspberries, 1 scoop of chocolate whey protein isolate, and ice to desire. Then you're gonna add all the ingredients to the Blendjet. You're gonna blend until smooth and enjoy. All right, next up we have a mixed berry protein shake. Now this one is a good blend or balance of proteins, fats, and carbs. You got your healthy protein from Whey Protein Isolate here. The mixed berries have some good amount of carbohydrates. And then the hemp seeds and the chia seeds are a healthy source of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. So it's a good blend of all 3 macronutrients. But of course, it tastes delicious. Okay, for the mixed berry keto shake, you're gonna need 1 1/4 cups unsweetened almond milk, 1 tablespoon hemp seeds, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, handful of spinach, 1 to 2 handfuls of frozen berries mixed, 1 scoop of whey protein isolate, flavor of your choice, and ice to desire. You're gonna add all the ingredients to the Blendjet and blend until smooth and enjoy. This recipe right here is one of my favorite tasting ones. It is a chocolate peanut butter cup protein shake recipe. Obviously, we got 20 grams of high quality whey protein isolate, the peanut butter cup flavor from Complete Wellness. So good, okay? And then on top of that, we got natural peanut butter, we got some cocoa powder, ice, and then we're gonna add some peanuts on top, which instead of a cherry on top, we're doing peanuts, and you're gonna love the crunch. For the chocolate peanut butter shake, you're gonna need 1 1/4 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 tablespoon crushed peanuts, 1 tablespoon unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon natural peanut butter, 1 scoop of peanut butter cup whey protein isolate, and ice to desire. Add all the ingredients except for the crushed peanuts to the Blendjet, blend until smooth. Then you're gonna add the crushed peanuts on top and enjoy. So if you're struggling to get adequate amounts of protein, try out these recipes. They're protein packed, and let me know what you think of them in the comments below, and we'll see you guys next time. Thank you.